Adding feature sections in Softr allows you to highlight important information, showcase key benefits, or draw attention to specific content within your application. Feature sections are commonly used to present products, services, testimonials, or unique selling points in a clean and visually appealing layout. And by the end of this complete guide, you'll know exactly how to add a feature section in Softr. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. To begin, you'll need to log into your Softr account. Once you're signed in, take a look at the left sidebar and click on Applications. This will bring up a list of all the Softr apps you've created, whether they're for a membership site, a client portal, an internal tool, or something else entirely. It's important to get comfortable with this main dashboard because it's your central hub for managing every project. If you have multiple applications, take a moment to locate the one you want to edit, and then click on it to open it up. Once the application loads, you'll see a fresh interface with various options in the left sidebar. Your next step is to click on Pages. This will display every page that currently exists within your application, from your home page to any internal or subpages you've built. Think of pages as the different rooms in a house, and each one can hold its own unique set of blocks and content. Now, locate the specific page where you want to add a feature section, and click on it to open it in the editor. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll be able to see your page's current layout and structure. With the page open, you'll need to scroll through it until you find the exact location where you want the new feature section to appear. Maybe it's between a hero section and a testimonial area, or perhaps you want it near the bottom of the page to reinforce your key selling points. The beauty of Softr is that you have precise control over placement. Once you've found the right spot, simply click the plus button, which looks like a plus icon, at that location. This opens up the block library, which is your tool for inserting any type of content block into your page. It's a straightforward way to add structure without needing to code anything from scratch. In the right sidebar that appears, you'll see a few different categories. Click on Website to browse the available website blocks. This section contains all the pre-built components designed specifically for public-facing or internal web pages. Scroll down until you find the category labeled Feature, and then click See All to view the complete collection of feature section layouts. Softr offers a variety of these, each with a slightly different arrangement of text, icons, and buttons. Some layouts are perfect for highlighting 3 key benefits side by side, while others might focus on a single larger feature with supporting text. Take your time to browse through them and consider which one best matches the type of content you're presenting. For example, if you're showcasing a product's unique selling points, a 3-column layout with icons and short descriptions might be ideal. If you're presenting a more detailed case study or service overview, a single larger feature block with a headline and body text could work better. Once you've decided on the layout that fits your design and content, simply click on it. Softr will automatically insert the feature section into your page exactly where you placed the plus button. You'll now see the new block appear with placeholder text and images ready for you to customize. This is where you can really make the section your own. Start by editing the text. Click into each headline, subheading, and description area and type in your own content. Keep your headings short and easy to understand, ideally no more than a few words, because clarity is key when visitors skim your page. You can also replace any placeholder images or icons with your own high-quality visuals. Using sharp, professional images or clean vector icons makes your feature section far more engaging and credible. Avoid using low-resolution or generic stock photos if possible, as they can undermine the trust you're trying to build. Additionally, you can edit any buttons that appear in the section, linking them to relevant pages within your application or to external resources. If the layout includes multiple columns or rows, you can also adjust the overall styling, such as background color, padding, and alignment, to create a consistent look with the rest of your page. The goal is to make this new section feel like a natural extension of your existing design, not like an afterthought. After you've finished customizing the section, it's crucial to review the entire page to ensure the feature block fits naturally with your existing content. Look at how it interacts with the sections above and below it. Does the spacing look balanced? Are the colors harmonious? Also, preview your application to confirm that the new section displays correctly on different screen sizes. Softr's editor allows you to switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views, and you should absolutely take advantage of this. A common pitfall is designing only for a desktop screen, only to find that your feature section looks cramped or misaligned on a phone. Adjust margins and font sizes as needed so that everything remains readable and visually appealing across all devices. Once you're satisfied, remember to publish your changes so that your visitors can actually see the new feature section live on your site. To wrap things up, you've now successfully added and customized a feature section in Softr, which will help you highlight key information, showcase benefits, and draw attention to the most important parts of your application. The benefit you've just unlocked is a cleaner, more persuasive page that guides your users exactly where you want them to go. As a next step, consider experimenting with different layouts for other sections of your application, or try adding multiple feature blocks to tell a more complete story about your product or service. And if you ever need to revisit this process, just save this video or bookmark these steps so you can reference them whenever you need. Thanks for watching and happy building.